So Godin once more has blown the doors off the industry. Every possible advantageous feature that you could have in one guitar, this one's got it all. So it's got the Swamp Ash top, the Duncan pickup in the neck, the Bare Knuckles pickup in the bridge, and then the bridge itself is LR bags. So everybody's in on the action with this one. And to be fair to Godin, these strings are 11 to 50, and I'm sure that most people would probably not use that heavy a string, but we loaded up the springs on the back, we got it perfectly balanced, and we've got that compensated nut for these 11 to 50 flat wound third. Well, we have relieved the neck of the string tension. Of course, now that 10-inch straight edge is rocking, so we're going to back that truss rod off. Try that again. Still rocking. A little bit further. That's good. Okay, so now the neck is relatively straight along its length. We have done all our reconnaissance. We know where all the high spots are. This is what we ended up with the compensated nut. These are 11 to 50 flat wound at concert pitch. We got that bridge plate dead level with the top. Okay, have a listen to this. Alright, let's test drive this and see what happens. Okay, here we go, moment of truth. Wow. Third. And there's one more example of guitar techs needing to re-engineer a little bit to make things work. Okay, so I'm going to do a bit of switching around and just let you hear. This is both humbuckers and the piezo. I can back the piezo off. This volume acts as a master volume for the piezo and the humbucking pickups. So you got master volume, master tone. Pretty simple, really. This is two humbuckers and the piezo wide open. Okay, now this is neck pickup humbucker with the piezo. If I back off the piezo, bring it up. So this is bridge pickup humbucker and piezo. That's no piezo. That's bridge pickup and piezo. little mini switch. When you've got it in the top position, it's humbuckers only. When you got it in the middle, it's piezo and humbuckers. When you got it down, it's just the piezo. When you have it plugged into that input, then this is the master volume for both piezo and humbucking pickups. It can be a little confusing. Sort of threw me for a loop when I first tried it. So everything's up and running. So that was just straight piezo pickup. Now this is everything on, both pickups and the piezo. So when I got that mini switch up, it's just two humbucking pickups, master volume, master tone. When I got the mini switch in the middle, we have all of the pickups. Like I said, in the middle position, this still operates the piezo and both pickups, so that's a master volume. If you're plugged into the lower input jack, this remains master volume, master tone. The only time you're going to have that separation for the piezo is when you plug in the other jack and then you have just the piezo and it's just straight volume. This is just the LR Baggs bridge you're listening to. No magnetic pickups. Up is the neck pickup, down is the bridge pickup, in the middle you got both. So right now this is every pickup on the guitar, the piezo and the humbucking pickups. So let me do some single line. So this is the loop. So you'll let that play. bridge pickup. Both pickups. Back to the crystals.